Molo Mansion, Iloilo City.
Hi guys, this is Jer's Passion here in Iloilo City at Iloilo Mansion. So this is Iloilo Mansion.
The Molo Mansion is one of Iloilo City's finest old homes. It was built in the 1920s and was reopened to the public in 2015. It currently serves at the backdrop of art exhibits, markets, fairs, special occasions, and photo shoots. The Molo Mansion, also known as the Yusay-Consing Mansion, is one of the most outstanding examples of historical homes, not just in Iloilo, but the entire country. This grand structure, which faces the town plaza and street and Parish Church, was rescued and restored by a private developer after years of ruin.
So, historic old mansion ito lang ga. Kita nyo dito, meron din sila dito nagbibenta, naga-market. Dito yan. So we will see what is inside this old mansion. It is picturesque.
Now, it's a heritage museum with a cultural retail shop that showcases products and local delicacies.
So if you want to buy barong, Filipino barong, Filipiniana, mayroon din dito. Ayan, semi-precious stones. There's a lot. Hindi pa ako nakapas dito. Ayan. Nasa babaw mo yun. Dire lang nasa galaw mo. Nag-vlog lang ako ha. Gina-promote ang old mansion. Okay, sa dalom lang. So, yan. If you want to buy, souvenir Molo Mansion, may mga bagman sila nga design. Molo Mansion, Iloilo, Philippines. Tapos, mga products ang Iloilo. Kahong dila pay. It's only 499. Hi, thank you. Tana akong baklon di man. Souvenir ka namin isang t-shirt po. Black. Molo Mansion. I will buy this. Large, ano ka na ko ang large man?
The mansion was first occupied by Dona Petra Lacson. She married Estanislao Yusay, who was Manila's judge of the court first instance. The couple had 10 children and their family became one of the most influential in the Molo district.
Sa likod.
The mansion was later occupied by Iloilo Governor Timoteo Consing Sr., who served from 1935 to 1937. The house became more famous when it hosted two Philippine presidents, Manuel L. Quezon and Sergio Osmeña, during their official trips to the city. The Molo Mansion exhibits classical Philippine colonial architecture. The interiors have high ceilings and graceful arches. Intricate decorative carvings are nothing but impressive. The facade boasts of a neoclassical balustrade, and there are wooden double swing-out windows that open to the refreshing gardens below. Years of neglect ruined the mansion, so much people thought it will be gone for good. Retail giant SM Group bought the property from the Consing family in 2014. SM restored the mansion to its former glory.
So ito po yung Molo Mansion. It is one of the old mansion in the Philippines, located at Molo, Iloilo City. Dito sa loob, mayroong kultura, tapos sabor Ilonggo, having business inside and within the vicinity of this Molo Mansion.
Thanks for watching.